fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be giving you guys a fall cleaning with me, and it's not like a thorough cleaning. I'm really just doing some laundry. Today is laundry day and I have loads and loads of it to fold and put away, and then I'm going to go into my living room and clean up all that mess that I made when I was redecorating and painting my fireplace. So that's pretty much going to be the video for today. It is definitely a fall filled video. It at this day felt like fall. It was so cold outside. So I just was like, let me just do a little cleaning video because I need to get my life together and get rid of all this laundry. So sit back, relax, get a cup of chocolate, hot chocolate, or if it's hot where you are, a cup of iced tea, and throw me up on your television and let's clean together. Let's motivate each other and attack some spaces in your homes that needs to be attacked. So I will see you guys very, very soon. And if this is your first time visiting our channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shoshana, and on my channel, I do lots of home decor, seasonal decor, cleaning motivation, and some lifestyle videos here and there. So if that's something you're interested in watching, I do upload 2 to 3 times a day. Well, 2 to 3 times a week, not a day. I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of my family here on YouTube. And definitely double tap that bell so you don't miss out on any of my episodes. So without further ado, I'm going to go get myself a drink of water. And I'm going to come and, just join you guys in the cleaning.
Restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
Okay, y'all, when I tell you that it was so much clothes, oh my gosh, this video does not do it justice. It was so much clothes. And then, by the way, after I was done folding this and putting it away, there was still more clothes coming up from the laundry room. I don't understand how we have, majority of it, honestly, is Nyla's, like, washable pads for her bedding, her mattress, and her sheets. She does soil her sheets a lot, so I literally have to do her sheets and mattress pads and washable pads daily because it gets soiled, and sometimes it gets soiled so much that I do have to throw her sheets out or throw her pads out or mattress covers because she does soil. She is in potty training. So, picture a toddler being potty trained, but with a 16-year-old strength. Yes. So, that's the stage of life that we're in right now. So I am washing a ton of her laundry in terms of her sheets and things like that, her bedding. So that's also why it's so much clothes. But two, my kids just started school. So this video was actually pre-planned, recorded. So they literally just started, and it's already a mountain of clothes. By the way, I am still doing laundry, and then my dryer broke. So now I have to wash the clothes, and then take the clothes upstairs in my home to hang them out, everywhere that I possibly can find a place to hang them so that the clothes can dry, because we don't have a laundromat where we live. We live in the mountains. We don't have a laundromat where I live so that I could take them to the laundromat to dry them. So we're literally just hanging the clothes all over the house. So it's just insane. Also, the video for some reason just cut out a clip of me folding and putting the clothes away. So this is why you're seeing the next clip of me putting away all my fall decor and everything like that. So don't be alarmed. I don't know what's going on with my phone. It literally just stops filming in the middle of me filming. So pray for your sister, y'all. Pray for me.
Wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
By the way, I just have to say thank you guys for all your support on the fireplace video. I'm not really sure what's going on with it. It says that I have 150 views, and then it says I have 49 views. I don't know what YouTube is doing with it, but I just want to thank you all so much for your support on all my content, period. But thank you for all the love that you guys have been showing me on this video. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys, the fireplace, and it really tested me. It challenged me to do something different and creative, and allowed me to be, more creative and everything. So I really enjoyed it, and I'm glad that you guys enjoyed it too. And I'm so grateful for your feedbacks and, just the love, for everything that you guys have been blessing me with. So I just wanted to stop in and just say thank you guys so much for all the love that you've been showing me on all my videos.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond no. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never.
Okay guys, so if you have made it this far into the video, thank you guys so much for watching the video from beginning to end, because it does help me out and let YouTube know that you are interested in my content. But I know this was a short video, but I hope that in some ways it motivated you. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I am going to be doing some crafts. Y'all, I got this amazing vase off of Facebook Marketplace for free, and you guys will see it in the next video. It's absolutely incredible. So I will see you guys. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
You're undeniable.